Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. In today's video, we are celebrating Black History Month. And what better way to celebrate Black History Month than showcasing and highlighting Black-owned hair care products. Now, this is nothing new to my channel. So during the month of February, I'm going to continue on to support Black-owned business and show some new products that are making waves in the hair industry. So today we have the Lovely, the Doux,
Chief, Rocka.
Now this is the Extreme Moisturizing Mousse. It's a high performance divining styler. It detangles, conditions, defines, and shines in one step for all curl types. Now, they previously have another mousse that I was going to pick up, but once I went online and saw that they dropped a new one, of course, I had to get the new one to give you the 411 on whether it works for my 4C hair. So, let's get into it. Now, I know I'm still trying to figure out what did I use in my hair the last time, because my twist outs, or maybe it's Black History Month and everything's falling in order. But yeah, my twist out looks good. So I don't even remember what I used. So we're going to use this by itself. I'm going to wet my hair. And then of course, it's Black History Month. What type of Black woman would I be if I didn't have a roller bag? I have we're going to use it with Flexi rods. I got rollers in there. I also got a hair bag. It's Black History Month. Let's get into it. So first, as usual, I'm going to part my hair in four, because I know it needs some detangling. Some water. So we're going to open up. Now it says it's supposed to detangle, condition, defines, and shine in one step. So we're going to see. Okay, it's a mousse. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, now it actually feels amazing on my hair. Okay, that feels good. Smells amazing. It's not sitting on my hair. It's actually penetrating my hair, and my hair feels soft. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me find out. All right, Black History Month. Blackity black. Your mother said what? Your daddy said what? All right now. Bitch. Sorry. Okay now. It's been a while since a product like got me shook. So now that I finger detangled and got rid of the excess hair, let me just use it with my detangle brush. My hair feels soft. It feels amazing. So as far as detangling, it did an amazing job. As far as detangling, like I feel like it did an amazing job. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'm gonna give it a 4.5 because I didn't really have to struggle with. Oh my God, it smelled divine. They need to bottle this shit up and put it in a perfume. I'm gonna use the bigger ones. Me and Flexi rods. Because the girls be twisting it. Girl. Twisting it. Okay. One down. Okay, that wasn't all right. That wasn't as bad as I had anticipated. Actually, I'm going to try it without wetting it. This section, so I'm not going to wet it. I'm just going to put it in. I don't know why I feel the need to rub it in. Okay, yeah. It needs to be wet. Like, I just feel like my hair's too dry. It needs, let me stop playing games and act like I don't know the routine when it comes to natural hair. It needs what? It needs moisture. My hair needs moisture. Okay. Product, I didn't talk about the size. It is 8 ounces. Retail, let me, if I'm correct, $15. And I bought it online. I put the ends, wrap the ends around, then one time, roll it up. This is how I've seen the girls do it, so. Hopefully, it comes out the way I want it to come out. All right. We're gonna mousse it, 2 pumps. We're gonna finger detangle. Finger detangling because I can feel if there's knots and be a little bit more delicate. Let's go back in. Look at that. Smell, 5 out of 5. Detangle, 4.5 out of 5. The reason I didn't give the detangling a 5 yet, because I want to see the end first to see if it truly detangled. Because if it's lumps and bumps, then what we doing? It smells like bubblegum. If you remember back in the days, the bazooka gums we used to have with the tattoos. You don't remember, you probably too young. But yeah, which we used to get bazooka gums from the corner store, the bodega. And that's how it smells to me. It reminds me of my childhood, which is a plus. It also reminds me of, I just went to Sephora, the perfume everyone's raving about. They have a, I think it's called a vanilla candy fragrance. That's how it smells to me. Ugh. If it wasn't so expensive, I would have bought it. But I'm not in the mood to be paying figures for perfumes. I'd rather spend my money on bags and shoes. Like, personally. Okay, so we are done Flexi rodding. I probably should have made them smaller, but I can't sleep in Flexi rods, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I have, I believe, 9 Flexi rods in my head. And so far so good. Sleep on it, come back the next day, show you what the results. Okay, and I can already tell you that my hair, it feels dry. So I'm just gonna put some For You oil and unravel. Yeah, my hair feels real dry. So my hair feels so dry, so dry. But I think it claims to hydrate. I don't think so. But it's a mousse, so I expected it not to be overly moisturized after it actually dried and set. So let me go do something with my hair. The thing about me is I love a messy, natural hairstyle. I am not one of those people that the curls gotta be uniform, the twist out gotta be uniformed. I love a big, just messy, like I just got out of the bed and this is how I woke up, when I know I had to actually put some effort into this messy hair. So I'm still not a Flexi rod girl, per se, because I feel like once I go out in this, well, it's not even humid. It's still winter here. I'm looking out the window. It's still winter here. So the moisture is just gonna, it's going to revert back to its shrunken stage. So I would honestly give this product, I'm impressed. And if the previous mousse before this is similar to this, I definitely want to try it. So I'm impressed. Overall, I would have to rate this a 4.5 out of 5. It's been a while since I've been impressed with one particular product. Now, the reason it didn't get a 5 out of 5, and I'm going to tell you why. As far as detangling, I felt like it did what it needed to do. 4.5. Once I wet my hair, detangling process went smoothly. There were a little bit of knots here and there, but that's given for my hair type. Conditions, I felt like it really penetrated my hair. There are products that, because I have, a kinkier texture, that will just lay on my head and not penetrate my hair. So I would say condition, because I felt like my hair was very moisturized while I was wetting it and distributing the product through it. Defines, I want to say it did define. When I was wetting it and then finger combing it, it did define it. So that was a 4. I felt like it didn't really, the kinks weren't ultra defined, but it was defined enough. And if I were to do wash and go, I think for my hair type, maybe a wash and go wouldn't go well for my hair type. But then again, I don't do wash and goes. I hate wash and goes. I can't get into it. Can't get into the wet hair and water dripping down my neck. I tried it before. I tried it 3 times and I just don't like it. Also, I don't like the shrinkage. Shine, initially when I was putting it in, but while it dried down, you could see that, my hair is a dark brown. My hair is a 1B. Honestly, if I dyed my hair black, maybe it would shine more. But a shine, I would give it a 3.5. I don't think it shined my hair whatsoever. I feel like my hair, now that it's dry, my hair is dry. I mean dry. It's fluffy, it's bouncy, but my hair is dry. And it also could be because, for me, first day hair, it's always dry. Second day hair, semi-dry. It is not until 3rd, 4th, 5th day hair that my hair reverts back to its moisturized state. So the first 3 days, it's not that great. Afterwards, it's what I like as far as it's being moisturized. It's elongated. Definitely love to use this when I do a braid out, as well as I know this is going to pop. If I were to blow dry my hair, then do a braid out, my braid out's gonna be top tier. Top tier. So I would say, I would recommend it. I would buy it. I would buy it, but not by itself. Meaning that it needs to be layered. I don't care what it says. Yes, it says for all hair types, 1 styler, high performance defining styler. It makes it seem like you could use it by itself, which you can, but it would pair well. Hear me out. It will pair well with a cream and an oil. It will pair well with a cream and an oil. I feel like my curls would pop with a cream and an oil and adding this to my overall regimen. So I'm gonna give this a 4.5. It smells amazing. It smells heavenly. It smells like candy. It smells like summer breeze. Like, the smell is amazing, and I'm very particular about the smell. I love that it's a mousse and that it is more water-based. I feel like it didn't shrink out my hair. Like, when I put my hair is actually in a stretched out stage. I expected it to have shrunken my hair back to its original big chop stage, but no, it's actually really stretched. And I don't know if it's because of this and the Flexi rods, me stretching it with the Flexi rods, but that's amazing. Yo, I would give this a thumbs up. This is going to be now a part of when I actually want to wear my hair out and do a little do. I'm definitely going to go for this. $16.99, is it worth it? It's a Black-owned business, and if you know anything about Black-owned businesses, it's definitely harder for us to get our products in the market, to get ingredients, to, get things produced. So $16.99, hell yeah. Hell to the mother, yeah, it is worth it. Support Black-owned businesses, not just during February, every month, all year round. So yeah, I would recommend it. I'm the girls didn't, the reviews were based on the previous mousse, and the previous mousse had great reviews. So when I saw this coming out, I was like, okay, how can you, I didn't try the previous mousse, but the girls raved about it. I'm like, how can you improve on perfection? So it's like, if this is the improvement to the first mousse, goddamn, like they stepped on some necks with this. Like this is phenomenal, and I kind of want to try the previous mousse. I would highly recommend this, and I'm not just saying this. If you watch my channel, I buy all of this stuff out of my pocket. I am not I don't get, you know, any promotion. Not well, people have contacted me, but I'm very picky. So I rather buy things out of my pocket and give an honest review. And I would say this is top tier. I would say add this to your LOC method if you have a special event, or if you really want a defined twist out, braid out, natural hairstyle. Add this to your regimen with the cream and the oil and leave-in conditioner. This is top tier. I can't wait. I hope they come out with other products. I really feel like they should come out besides with the mousse. I don't know if they have other. They need to come out with the LOC method, because especially with this smell, I would be eager to buy it. $16.99. Support Black-owned business. Happy Black History Month. If you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, join the community. I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out. Bye. Bye.